Sean Murphy here with Compass, and I want to introduce you to my newest listing, 47 Old Colony Lane, Unit 111 here in Marshfield. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, recently renovated, all for under $350,000. Let's take a look. Right as you step foot into Unit 111 here, you'll notice the open concept living room kitchen area, also with the cathedral ceiling here in the living room area, which makes it feel much bigger than it actually is. Another view of the kitchen here from the dining area into the living room. You notice the staircase going up to the second floor. Kitchen area, this is recently redone with this countertops. The flooring is all brand new. Windows are brand new, fresh paint throughout. This is the 3rd bedroom here on the first floor, has its own private bathroom that again has been recently redone by these current owners. And as we go back through the open concept first floor here, and I will show you the upstairs. Now there's 2 bedrooms upstairs with a full bath. Laundry is also located up here on the 2nd floor, as you can see right here. We'll go down the little hallway here into the main bedroom. Now you'll notice it is huge. This is a king bed, so this is a big bedroom with a nice skylight and plenty of space for dressers, extra furniture. And here is the 2nd bedroom upstairs that is currently being used as a guest suite as well as an office. And then as we go back into the hallway, you'll notice the full bath that is up here on the 2nd floor. So you have everything you need in this 3-bedroom condo. Again, all for under $350,000. Very hard to find another view of this open concept. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments.